Saturday, December 30th, 10:57 a.m. New York time. Last trading of the year, we just completed yesterday in the financial markets, the stock market. So we'll do a recap. For the past year, to see how we did in performance on the stock index called the Dow 30 Industrial Average. The 30 largest publicly traded companies of the United States are in this index. We'll go alphabetical order. They are on the watch list on the left-hand side. This Dow 30 index, the company, the persons that manage it, every so often replace it. They take companies out that are failure, not meeting the requirements, and replace it with new ones. Maybe we'll have that happen in the new year. Because as we go through all 30 of these, you will see one or more of them are not holding up to par, are ruining it for the rest of the investors. So this stock index, you could buy as a stock ETF. The symbol is Delta India Alpha. As well, you could buy the individual stocks in it. But looking right now, this grid is 10 years of history. Each candle is a month. On the top right, we made a new high for the year and a new all-time high in the stock index. I say it again, all-time high in the stock index, the Dow 30. Outstanding. You may hear different from other people that are the opposition that potentially will say differently. Well, charts don't lie. So we're going to compare this now with the stocks. On the left-hand side, Apple, all-time high for the year and all-time high. Outstanding. Yep, new high. So it's matching the index. That's leadership. That's a winner. Look where it's come for the past 10 years. Next, Alpha Bike Golf November. Made a new high for the year. Has not taken out last year's high. So we have the stock index performing better than this stock, as well as Apple. Alpha, X-Ray, Papa, American Express. Banks are pretty much heavily weighted average in this stock index, the Dow 30. Yep. Banks have a big representation in this index. The big banks. American Express made a new high for the year. Has not taken out the high of last year yet. Bravo Alpha, Boeing, new high for the year. Very close to taking out the high of 2 years ago. But has not taken out the all-time high pair back in 2019. Excuse me. Caterpillar, Charlie Alpha Tango, new high for the year and all-time high. Big manufacturing company. Charlie Romeo Mike, Salesforce, new high for the year. Has taken out the high as last year, but has not taken out the high of 2021 yet. Cisco Systems. Well, much closer to the low of the year than the high year. Plus, for the current month, made an inside candle. See that on the far right? Didn't take out the high or low of the prior month. We are inside the range of last year as well, too. Technology. That's what this is. It's not a winner. Charlie Victor X-Ray Chevron Corporation. Yep. Look at that. They're the low of the year. Not good. Big difference than the index. Here's a low of last year. So we're inside the range last year. Disney, Walt Disney Company, Delta India Sierra. Yep. Here's the low of last year. Here's the low of this year. And for this month, we did inside candles, small trading range. Big difference. Yep. Way below the highs of 2021. Poor performer. Dow Chemical. Inside the range of the year and still inside the range of last year as well, too. Big consolidation going here. This may be accumulation going on here, too. Sure, I got this right. Yep. Goldman Sachs, another bank. New high for the year. Outstanding. Still below the high of last year and the prior year. Big move up. Hotel Delta, Home Depot. New high for the year. Outstanding. Still below the high of last year. So the index is still better than this. Again, nothing wrong with just investing in the index. The index is very diversified. You don't have to necessarily go out and buy a bunch of single stocks. Try to create your own index. There are good indexes out there to invest in. Honeywell, Hotel, Oscar, November. Did make a green candle. Took out the high of last month. Still below the high of this year. Below the high of last year. Below the prior year. IBM. New high for the year. As we all took out the high all the way from back here, 2018. Outstanding. Let's remove that. Strong like bull. Look at that. It is now in a markup phase. While this was accumulation, markup phase now. Nice. Intel. New high for the year. Still below the high of 2022. But it finished the year strong. Johnson & Johnson. Nope. Much closer to the low of the year. Not good. Yep. Below the range of last year or two. Looks like it's in a big markdown. JP Morgan, another financial, new high for the year. Outstanding. Very close to taking out the high of 2021. Coca-Cola. Well, it's inside the range for this year and below the high of last year. So here was a panic zone. Touched it 3 months ago, which happened to be the low of the month, low of the year, and reversed. Good charting. Nice. McDonald's. Green for the month, higher high, higher low. Almost retested the high of the year. The high year here, this year, all-time high, and very close to retesting the all-time high. That's good. $3M, Mike. Hope. High of the year, low of the year, far away from the high of the year, and below these prior year highs. Not good. Mike, Romeo, Kilo. Green for the month. Look at that inside candle. Did a reversal. Nice. Here's the high of the year. Back inside the range of last year. Microsoft. Made an inside candle for the month. But last month made the high of the year. And saw the all-time high. Outstanding. Strong like bull. Nike. Yep. Inside the range of this year and below the prior 2 years. Bearish pin bar. Yep. May see a retest of that for another failure to trade bearish. Markdown. Retracement. Markdown. Looks like it wants to go lower. Procter & Gamble. Papa. Gov. Inside the range of this year. Below the high of last year. Huge huge accumulation base. Yeah, I can say accumulation because I think it's building calls to go higher. Why? Well, we had this markup, retracement, and this retracement here didn't take out that low, but it reversed. So again, I think we're building accumulation to go higher. That's nice when you can get in this accumulation area and then take it on a markup. Look at this. Accumulation, retracement, markup. Nice trend. Tango Romeo Victor, Travelers. Another big bank. Green for the month. Higher high, higher low. Did not take out the high this year, but this year it didn't make all-time high. Good for them. Uniform, November Gov, United Health. Well, last month was the high of the year, and we just nearly tested it, but we haven't taken out the high of last year yet. So again, this was a accumulation area, markup phase. It's in a consolidation here. And if we take out that high of last year, well, then you call this another accumulation. Interesting opportunity for trading here. If it fills, well, then you expect a markdown. High probability it's going to be in a consolidation and a markup. Accumulation and a markup. Visa, another financial. New high for the year and all-time new high. Strong like bull. Victor, Zulu, Verizon, telecommunications. Wow. Red for the month. Below the high of the year. Took all these prior highs. Huge markdown phase. Markdown phase. Yep. Distribution, markdown. Whiskey, Bravo, Alpha, Walgreens. Well, last month was the low of the year. And now we made a higher high, higher low. Again, huge markdown. Below all these prior year highs. Very suspicious. See huge volume here. Okay. Might come back down, retest that. Or might have a retracement mode here. Still, index performing better than this one. Whiskey, Mike, Tango, Walmart. Last month made the all-time high for the year and all-time high for the stock. Outstanding. Wow. So again, comparison, the index is the winner and several stocks made new highs for the year, made all-time new highs and pulled back. So overall, again, the index performing much better. Notice also, again, this index is diversified. Different sectors. So it's very broad. And you notice which ones are happily helping this one, the index. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.